You are going to love the 2019 Chevy Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires, privacy glass, rear wheel drive. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.